Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many professionals face: Outlook web not loading properly in Chrome. Whether you're seeing blank pages, endless loading, or error messages, I've got you covered with these practical solutions to get your email back up and running. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Outlook web loading issues often stem from browser cache problems or extension conflicts. First, let's clear Chrome's cache and cookies specifically for Outlook. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the clearance dialog. Select All Time for time range, check Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This preserves your general browsing data while targeting Outlook-related issues. If that doesn't work, let's try disabling your browser extensions. Type Chrome//extensions in your address bar and toggle off all extensions. Restart Chrome and try loading Outlook web again. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one to identify the problematic one. Now, let's check Chrome's hardware acceleration settings. Click the three-dot menu Settings System and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart Chrome and test Outlook web again. This resolves many display and loading issues. For persistent problems, let's try using Chrome's Incognito Mode. Press Ctrl+Shift+N to open an incognito window and try accessing Outlook web there. If it works, the issue is likely with your browser profile or extensions. If you're still having issues, let's reset your Chrome flags. Type Chrome//flags in the address bar. Click Reset All at the top, then restart Chrome. Experimental features can sometimes conflict with web applications. As a last resort, try creating a new Chrome user profile. Go to Settings, Add Person to create a fresh profile and test Outlook web there. This helps determine if the issue is profile specific. I know how crucial Outlook web is for staying connected and productive, especially when working remotely. One of these solutions should resolve your loading issues. For most users, clearing cache or disabling extensions does the trick. If this guide helped you get Outlook web working smoothly again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.